Hello everyone and welcome to all of you in Srijan Institute and Training Center YouTube channel. My name is Buddhi Vishwas and I am your SAP HCM trainer. And I have discussed here what is SAP, what is ERP and what is SAP HCM module and what are the real-time projects and what are the scopes and opportunities in SAP HCM module. I have discussed all of these things and you are enjoying and to learn many things from this course. So let's start with a general example. So whenever we talk about a company, there will be certain general business function, means every company have some functions. In a company there will be some department, division, subdivision and branches, and these department, division, subdivision and branches, there are lots of work. And I have mentioned some work like production, material management, finance, human resource, sales, customer relationship management, supply relationship management, plant maintenance, product life cycle management, project system, quality management. All these functions of a business are interlinked in a global local business enterprise. Means that these functions are interlinked with each other in globally or locally. Okay. So let's take an example and understand how these functions are connected with each other. Okay, uh, assume HR is a one function of a company and finance is also one function of a company. So how these two functions are interlinked with each other? So for interlinked with each other, we required a interface, a middleware, so that's through which these two functions are interlinked with each other. Basically, HR is made payroll and paid salary to the employees, and finance department maintain all the financial accounting related data to manage all this type of data of a company. So how these two are interlinked with each other? So finance department is directly connect with general ledger accounting system. General ledger accounting system, it is integrated with SAP HCM for payroll accounting and financial reporting. Means that general ledger accounting system is maintain all the financial related things, to maintain all the records of financial related things of a company. That is general ledger accounting. So through this interface, HR and finance department are interlinked with each other and to share the payroll and salary related data with each other, financial data with each other. So take more examples of a business function and understand how those functions are interlinked with these HR and finance department. Like sales department, say and sales department, suppose sales department get order of 100 units, and to first inform sales department to other departments of where these 100 units of products are manufactured, and some support works also need. So sales department informed to the production department, material management department, finance department, and sales department also informed to the other departments whatever the sales department need. So sales department is informed to the department about the 100 unit of product. So production department manufacturing this 100 units of product, but production department also informed to the material management department for raw material, inventory, and procurement, some supply. So these things are required for manufacturing these 100 units of product. So production department informed to the material management, and material, if you want material then you pay for that material. So sales department also informed to the finance department, and finance department raise money. So these money use and to purchase all the raw materials, all the inventory or the investment on these 100 units of product. Okay, so this way all these functions of a business are interlinked with each other. So but if these functions are also come in digitally, that is also good for us. So that time ERP is comes in the market. And ERP is stands for enterprise resource planning. ERP integrates all the business function, whatever I have discussed. There are lots of other business function, but all the business function in one single software system for efficient management and maximize the profits. Okay, means that ERP integrate all the business functions of a company or enterprise, and these business function integrated in one place. Through that place, a single person or one or two person manage all all the functions of a business. So this way company make more use of their products, more use of their raw materials, and to make maximize the profit through that efficient use. So through that ERP is comes. Actually ERP is a software, and through this software we can maintain all these functions in a one place. There are lots of company who provide ERP. SAP is one of them who provide ERP. Microsoft provide ERP. Oracle provide ERP. There are lots of company who provide ERP, because for managing any company ERP is required, and ERP is provided by different companies, different vendors. Okay, in ERP every department there is a software, and every software is connected through different interfaces or middleware technologies. That is ERP. Now we discuss what is SAP. SAP, I also told you that SAP is a ERP. SAP is stands for Systems, Application and Products in Real-Time Data Processing. SAP is most popular enterprise resource planning software. SAP introduced by SAP AG in 1972 at Waldorf in Germany. SAP is German-based product because SAP introduced in Germany. That's why SAP is German-based product. SAP have lots of features. So that's why SAP is most popular enterprise resource planning software. Some features I have mentioned here. SAP could be used to integrate all this function in global and local business enterprise. SAP also support multiple currency, means according to the country specific currency. SAP support that currency where the SAP have installed whatever the country. And SAP also support multilingual software, means according to the country, according to the region, whatever the language is used. If SAP are installed or SAP are uh, inbuilt that country or that region, these multilingual software are enabled. And SAP is also user based license agreement, means every time required for user and password for login in SAP. So in SAP the privacy of a company of employee are maintained. So that's why SAP is most popular ERP in the market.